Have another crane setting up for a panel. Hoping to see that go up shortly. Got some workers heading up. If these are the ones that handle the panels, there's quite a few members in this. Off they go. We have liftoff. There we go. One of numerous panels they have staged here. Cranking one out every hour or so. This is good. All right, NFL Media Building to the right. Let's take a look at this panel, what we got here. Looks pretty flat on top. It doesn't have like that A-frame like some of the others. Just kind of your basic variety panels. Which will have the ETFE film wrapped up to the side, and then once it is fully installed, crew members will go onto the panel and pull the ETFE across nice and tight. Alright, we're moving along here. Show you the elevation. Oh, right now it's probably a couple, well, less than 200 feet. 100 or so feet. Slowly making its way across. This will have a good reach. You see where the crane is in relation to the top of the stadium. The crane is going to have to do a little bit of reach. We're a few minutes into it. See, it looks like the ETFE is on the left-hand side, I believe. Okay. Got a nice hover. Right now it's hovering pretty much directly above the panel staging area down below. See all these panels waiting. There'll probably be another one coming up in another hour. Getting a little bit closer. Just about to reach the horizon of the roof line. And we'll see if we can get a shot underneath it. Pretty hard to see, but roof workers here. Yeah, that guy's holding the line there. He's pulling that panel in. We're helping to guide it in. Can't really get a good shot of the panel coming down though. See some workers below panel. Hanging out like Spider-Man. It's crazy. Everywhere you look on this roof, you can spot movement. There's people all over it. So look at that canopy that kind of be draped over escalators, I think. It's gonna look nice. Still in the early stages. See the escalator down below? Still has some protective covering on it. Damaged HVAC building. It's like they're demoing it a bit. Kind of gonna do a rebuild. Smashed pretty good there. Nothing major though, no delays as far as the stadium goes. Just an eyesore. See some of that fencing they're putting up, as you can see in some of the renderings. I don't know if I like that, but that's what we got so far. Section of it over here. Comes some more fencing. This looks like a border wall. Over here looking at one of the sides of the performance venue. You can see that sheathing has been covered up now. A portion of it at least. And beyond the venue, looking over by the American Airlines Plaza, some kind of work going on there. And looks like that tip there on the southern end is looking pretty good. A lot of work going on around that area as well. Wow, lots of trucks coming and going. And beyond the stadium, blue fencing where like some of, not the residential, maybe some of the commercial business stuff. There's some heavy equipment going on there, doing some different activities. And another look at the more future development beyond the stadium. It's happening. Over here, what used to be the staging area, have a lot of landscaping going on here, which will probably be some of the parkland. A lot of excavators coming up and down here. That guy's moving. So a lot of work going on here. We'll keep an eye out here. Watch this develop over time. This is like the southern, southwest end, looking north. Take a look at some of the roof lines. Those all appear to be retractable pieces of the panels, picture frames.